So today we're going to be covering a list of 40 of the best airdrops coming up in the next bull run with complete guides, which could actually make you about £150,000. So let's just start here a second. I just quickly typed into YouTube ChatGPT what's the 25 biggest crypto airdrops ever happened. It's actually missed out Bored Ape Yacht Clubs with ApeCoin, but anyway, so Uniswap, DYDX. Uniswap is a swap protocol on Ethereum. DYDX is like liquid staking. Ethereum name service. So you can see here, right? And then I've gone on to say what's the average of all of these top 25, and it says the average is around $3,764 each. All right. So now I've gone and said times it by 40, and so the average times by 40 is about £150,000. So if you was to complete every single one of these airdrops in the next 40 days, exactly what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go over each and every one of these, one video a day for the next 40 days to show you how to do it. I'm just bringing you the list here at the moment, and we could make massive amounts of money, especially at the top of the crypto bull run when all of those tokens have been airdropped to us. And like say in the summer of 2025, when all of these tokens are like at their peak, you could like literally be a millionaire. You could literally become a millionaire just by doing these simple tasks, which I'm going to show you to do right now. All right, so the thread is brought to you by Volcat. I'm going to link it in description, and I'm just going to go over quite a few of these, and just so you can get a feel of it, and you can see what I'm going to be doing over the next 40 days to help you make some free money to possibly quit your job and become financially free. That's the aim of this channel, is to bring you the alpha to help you quit your job or to make you more money if you haven't got a job. Let's get into it. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe so you don't miss any new videos that's going to be coming over the next year or two. Let's get into it. First, make your first million on airdrops. This is a complete. This is no competition after the ZK Sync and Layer 0 airdrop. Now, I did quite a lot of things for the ZK Sync airdrop, like minting NFTs, like in 2021, and doing some swaps and like using their testnets. Unfortunately, I didn't qualify, which blows my mind, and quite a lot of people didn't qualify also. So we're going to do things properly this time, and we're going to go through the best airdrops with the most amount of money. And I've come across this guide. All right, so the list of 40 best airdrops. Let's get into it. We can move this over here a minute. Yeah, I'll do it. So the first one, I'm not going to go over all of them. I'm just going to go over the majority of them. What's going on here? Press that button. All right, let's go. So the first one is Linear. Linear is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum designed to provide scalability and flexibility for decentralized applications. Okay, the links to this thread is going to be in the description. We're going to go over it in detail tomorrow. The second one is Aleo HQ. Aleo is a privacy first layer blockchain that helps develop code and deploy applications. This is a thread by OX Volcat. I'll link this in the description. Third one is Monad. Monad is a new EVM blockchain with a speed of up to 10,000 transactions per second and a block of 1 second. Yeah, you get that. The Smart Ape has got a thread in this one. The next one is Forecaster. I think this is going to be massive. For the sake of $5, you can create a Forecaster account, mint some free NFTs, and be eligible for like $5,000 plus. Forecaster is a protocol that facilitates the creation and connection of social media apps. They've already got an investment of 180 million, and the guide here, which I will go over in the next couple of days, is Kermix. Magic Eden. Magic Eden is a leading multi-chain NFT marketplace supporting non-fungible tokens on the Solana Ethereum blockchain. Also with Bitcoin, Bitcoin runes, Bitcoin ordinals, the unlocking and staking of Bitcoin into the new layer 2s is going to be a massive narrative this Christmas, and Christmas, this upcoming bull run through Christmas and into summer 2025. Bearer Chain is a high-performance EVM identical blockchain built on proof of liquidity and supports the Beacon Kit framework. They've got an investment of 142 million. Certic. Now, Certic are a company that audit smart contract protocols, decentralized apps, and swaps, basically anything to do with crypto. If you have actually got a Certic certificate on your website that shows you've been audited by Certic, you can 100% guarantee that company, a 99% guarantee that company is not going to be a rug pull and you're not going to lose your money. Actually, I'll say 95%. 99.9% is a bit high. 95% certain that crypto company is not going to rug. Okay, now this is a massive company. They've been around for a long time, and I think this is going to be quite a lucrative airdrop. So I'm going to look forward to that one. They've got 141 million. So Certic is a pioneer in blockchain security, leveraging best-in-class artificial intelligence technology to protect blockchain protocols. That's going to be an exciting one. Like I say, I'm not going to go over all of them. I'm just going to go over like the first 10 or 15, just to give you like an idea of like how exciting this actually could be, and it could be like more than like $3,700 dollars airdropped to your wallet for doing certain tasks on chain. Smash that like button if you're getting any joy out of this. And Babylon Chain. Babylon Chain protects project designs security protocols that scale Bitcoin to security in decentralized world. They've got a $96 million investment. Jupiter Exchange. So Jupiter is a decentralized exchange aggregator operating on the Solana blockchain. Not too much information on this, but it does say here Jupiter has confirmed the size of the next airdrop is 900 million. So I think this is something we should be looking at. Fuel Network. Fuel is a operating system purposely built for the Ethereum rollup, ZK, Darknet, and stuff like that. Designed to help developers build decentralized economies at scale. So I hope you can sort of see how and what I'm thinking about here. Like, the main aim of this channel is to make life-changing gains and money in crypto so we can escape the rat race and like the matrix of normal society. Like, we don't live in the olden days anymore where you had to go and work a job and you had to do like exchange your time for money. No. Crypto is changing the world forever. Like, crypto is the next best thing. I'm telling you right now, there's more ways to make money in crypto than there ever is out there working, using your time to work for somebody else. So then the number one aim of this channel for me is to get my viewers as much money as possible to become financially free, to be time free, and to be able to do whatever they want whenever they want. That's what I want out of my life. I'm going to be documenting and showing you how to do it. I'm going to be doing it. If you want to follow along, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. And if anybody's got this far in the video, well done. Comment below which network you want me to cover first, which airdrop you want me to cover first, or if you want me to do 2 or 3 in one video, or you let me know. I'm building a community and you guys tell me what you want and I will do it. So with that said, I will start these airdrop videos tomorrow, probably do 3 in one because it'll save time, because we don't want to miss out on any. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, put on the bell notifications, because you do not want to miss this lifetime opportunity in crypto, this bull run.